Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you one absolutely new way to grow the Coleus plants, and I truly hope that you are going to like it. Now as you can see, the Coleus plants are looking really very attractive, and let me tell you that I grew all of the Coleus plants in just 2 liters of cold drinks bottles. I am also going to discuss about the caring for your Coleus plants, and I would also let you know how you can make it much more bushier. So let's get started. So here are the few stems that I am going to grow today, and I collected all the stems from some of my other plants which I am growing on ground. Now let me tell you that you can propagate the Coleus plants very easily. I mean, you can just keep the cuttings in water and eventually they are going to produce the roots in just 5 or 6 days. Or if you like, you can directly keep the cuttings in soil as well. While collecting the cuttings, you really don't have to worry too much like how long the cuttings should be. Just take near about 4 to 6 inches or even 8 inches, and from that cuttings you would be able to grow a Coleus plants very easily. So next I am just going to prepare the cuttings, and for that I am simply removing the lower leaves and the lower branches. So this is the container that I am going to use to grow all the cuttings. You can also see that I made a few holes on the body part, and I did this so that I can insert the stems inside the plastic bottle. Actually I am going to use this as a hanging container, and that's why I made another one hole on the bottom part of the plastic bottle, as you can see, and there also I am going to insert one stem. If you are wondering how I did it, it's really very simple. I just used gas burner and a screwdriver. For the potting soil mix, I am taking 3 different components in equal part. One part is normal garden soil, other part is vermicompost, and the last part is coco peat. Please note that Coleus should be growing well in any kind of soil, but since the size of the container is really very small, I am going to use somewhat good potting soil mix. The next steps are really very easy, and I hope you can just follow me. Alright, it's done, and I would say that it's not looking that great at this time, but hopefully it's going to grow much more bushier in coming few days. Next I am going to keep the pot in my balcony itself, and please note that my balcony gets only the afternoon sunlight. So let me talk about the sunlight requirements for the Coleus. See, Coleus actually doesn't like too much direct sunlight, and it would be just fine if you provide it 1 or 2 hours of morning sunlight. Please also note that you can definitely grow the Coleus in a bright area, but if it doesn't get the direct sunlight, let's say for 1 hour or even 2 hours, you are not going to get the colorful foliage. So if possible, please try to provide it at least 1 or 2 hours of direct sunlight. After 15 days, and I would say that all the cuttings are doing really great, I mean till this point. Now today I am going to do the pinching procedure, and this is the way by which you can make your Coleus plant looks much more bushier. I am also going to fertilize my plants today, and please note that you don't have to worry about fertilizing your Coleus too much. Just apply near about 50 to 70 grams of either vermicompost or compost cow dung powder once in 30 or even 60 days, and they would be growing well. I am just going to apply 4 DAP crystals since it's really very easy. Whenever you apply any kind of chemical fertilizers, it's always a good idea to avoid applying in the daytime. I am doing it in the daytime because I know Coleus are really very hardy, and that's why I am taking the risk. After fertilizing, please don't forget to water your plants. While talking about water requirements, please note that Coleus needs lots of water, and that's why please keep the soil consistently moist. So guys, this is the result after 60 days, and I am truly hoping that you are liking the end result. Now I am really not sure whether you are going to like the idea or not, but anyway, let me tell you that growing Coleus is really very easy, and at the same time caring for Coleus is also easy. Just follow the steps and you can use any container, let's say 4 inch, 6 inch, 8 inch, 10 inch, just use any container you like and your plants would be growing nicely. If you found the video useful, please do me a favor, please like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and many thanks for doing that. Thank you once again for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day and enjoy.